Welcome to Hobby 101. Let's draw Flux together.
You can do it, just take it slow. Every line a masterpiece, let it show.
Question for you. How many official Zentangle patterns are there today? Make your guesses in the comments. To draw Flux, we make these apostrophe-like shapes. I start on the bottom, I curve up to the top in a C shape, and then I join it back at the center of that point. Flux is an official Zentangle pattern that features an elegant leaf-like shape. It's fluid, natural, and super easy to adapt to different spaces and styles. You can create fields of flux, use it in a border, or let it dance across your page. It's one of those tangles that's relaxing to draw and adds instant flow and movement to your artwork. After drawing these apostrophe shapes, we fill in the gaps between each shape with circles. These circles are my favorite things to draw. Just like tipple. So versatile. Perfect shape. Here's a variation of Flux designed by Rick Roberts, co-founder of the Zentangle method. Rather than having all the apostrophe shapes emerge from a single center point, try varying the starting points for each cluster. Try this pattern if you're ready to add a beautiful, leafy or petal-like organic pattern to your tangle practice. Now let's add some shading. I find it quite easy to shade Flux. This is a good pattern for beginners to learn as shading is simple and the end tangle looks amazing. Start by shading the points where the shapes emerge. Then add shading to the tops of the apostrophe shapes to enhance their rounded look. Again, to shade, just follow the curve of the top of the apostrophes to get that rounded look. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos, as it lets YouTube know that my content is worth sharing to new audiences. And there you have it, we've drawn Flux together. Please let me know in the comment if you tried this pattern and if you liked it.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.